So Chevy's got a glitch in their dash panel, and I've brought it up to them, but they say it doesn't exist. But at any rate, as you can see, I've got no speed, so no speedometer whatsoever. So there's a workaround to get your speedometer back up. So you have to have active in your Rolodex or whatever the speed, and then if you roll to the speed, the next one brings it back up where it's supposed to be. But if you don't have the speed in your Rolodex, you can't work through that bug. And I don't know about you, but these new techno trucks, I ain't buying one.